Ever wondered who's really pulling the strings behind the tech we use every day? We live in a world dominated by powerful tech companies, and often, the ownership of these companies, especially the cutting-edge ones, is shrouded in mystery. Today, we're diving deep into one such company, a name that's been buzzing in the AI world, Gemini. Specifically, we're asking the crucial question, who owned Gemini before now? Now, before we jump into the answer, it's important to understand why this question is so relevant. The ownership of a company, especially in the rapidly evolving tech landscape, dictates its direction, its priorities, and ultimately, its impact on the world. Knowing who owns Gemini gives us a glimpse into the forces shaping its development and the potential implications for the future of artificial intelligence. Gemini, as many of you know, is Google's most ambitious foray into the realm of large language models. It's designed to be multimodal, meaning it can understand and generate not just text, but also other forms of data like images, audio, and video. This makes Gemini a potential game-changer, with applications ranging from improved search engines and virtual assistants to groundbreaking scientific research and creative content generation. So, naturally, everyone wants to know who's behind this powerful technology. The simple answer, and the one most people already know, is that Gemini is currently owned by Google, or more accurately, Alphabet Incorporated, Google's parent company. Alphabet is a massive conglomerate that oversees a wide range of companies, including Google, YouTube, Waymo, the self-driving car company, and many others. This structure allows Google to operate with a degree of independence while still being part of a larger, well-funded organization. But the story doesn't end there. The question we're asking is about previous ownership. And to understand that, we need to delve a bit into the history of Gemini's development. Gemini isn't something that sprung out of thin air. It's the result of years of research and development, building upon previous work and acquisitions. One crucial piece of the puzzle is the acquisition of DeepMind by Google in 2014. DeepMind, a UK-based AI company, was already making waves with its groundbreaking work in deep learning. They had developed algorithms that could learn to play Atari games at a superhuman level, and they were also working on problems like protein folding, a grand challenge in biology. This acquisition was a major strategic move by Google, bringing a wealth of talent and expertise in AI under its umbrella. DeepMind's contributions were instrumental in the development of Gemini. Their expertise in reinforcement learning, a technique where AI agents learn by interacting with their environment, was particularly valuable. This approach has been key to creating AI models that can not only generate text but also understand and respond to the world in a more nuanced way. So, in a sense, DeepMind could be considered a key previous owner of the technology that ultimately became Gemini. While DeepMind itself was acquired by Google, its intellectual property, its researchers, and its overall approach became integral to Google's AI efforts. This highlights an important point about the tech world. Acquisitions are a crucial way for companies to gain access to new technologies and talent. They're a form of evolution, where smaller companies with innovative ideas are absorbed into larger organizations, allowing those ideas to be scaled up and brought to a wider audience. But the story goes even deeper. DeepMind itself was not built in isolation. It was founded by Demis Hassabis, Shane Legg, and Mustafa Suleyman, all of whom had backgrounds in neuroscience, computer science, and machine learning. Their vision was to create artificial general intelligence, a hypothetical AI that possesses human-level intelligence and can perform any intellectual task that a human being can. This ambition, this drive to push the boundaries of AI, was the spark that ignited DeepMind, and that spark continues to fuel the development of Gemini today. So, when we ask who owned Gemini before now, we're not just talking about corporate entities. We're also talking about the individuals, the researchers, the visionaries who dedicated their lives to advancing the field of artificial intelligence. Their contributions, their ideas, their hard work, all played a part in shaping the technology we see today. Furthermore, the development of AI, including Gemini, is built upon decades of research and innovation by countless scientists and engineers around the world. Academic institutions, research labs, and even open-source communities have all contributed to the foundational knowledge that underpins modern AI. From the early work on neural networks to the development of transformer models, every step has been built upon the shoulders of giants. Therefore, it's difficult to pinpoint a single previous owner of Gemini. Instead, it's more accurate to think of its development as a collective effort, a culmination of contributions from numerous individuals and organizations over many years. It's a testament to the power of collaboration and the relentless pursuit of knowledge that characterizes the scientific community. Understanding this history is crucial because it gives us a broader perspective on the current state of AI. It reminds us that technology is not created in a vacuum. It's shaped by human ingenuity, by the desire to solve problems, and by the ongoing quest to understand the world around us. And as we look to the future, the question of ownership becomes even more important. Who controls these powerful technologies will have a significant impact on how they are used and who benefits from them. The ethical considerations surrounding AI development are complex and far-reaching, and they require careful thought and open discussion. The story of Gemini's ownership, both past and present, is a microcosm of the larger story of artificial intelligence. It's a story of innovation, collaboration, and the ongoing quest to create machines that can think and learn like humans. It's a story that's still being written, and the next chapter will be shaped by the decisions we make today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.